Alrighty, folks, here it is. Just arrived. The new GoPro. Box full of stuff. First, I got the new magnetic door. Can't wait to check this bad boy out. The media mod. How cool is that? The 4-pack ND filters. The ultra wide lens mod. And the dual battery charger. Can't wait. Here it is. Heavy GoPro box cardboard. Let's remove this. Alright, here we are, folks. GoPro 13 Black. Lucky 13. Very satisfying. The new box smell. Nice, easy open zipper. The usual books. Little clamp. 2 batteries. The floaty with cord. The GoPro with torn paper. And your camera must be updated before you can use it. Remember that, folks. Definitely important to know. A little more cardboard. Push that through. Another handy dandy clamp. This one has that light curve to it, which is great for your bicycle helmet or other things. And you get 2 of those, always handy. And of course, the cord, always useful to have these. And the knob. Alright, folks. Put all that in here. Toss these out. Put that in there. Floaty. Open the batteries. Alright, look at that. Completely different. Little opening on the side there. And of course, the usual little pull tab. I'm going to have to get a silver marker so I can mark these, so I always make sure it goes in the right way. Very important. Alright. We're going to start here at the tear. Alright, now here's a nice new update. I really like that for the 13, that they put that in there. The extra thread. Now this is interesting. They actually left the 2 little nips there. It's pretty handy. Oh yeah. Dope. And there we go, folks. Last but not least, I'll do this offline here, or off video, but here we go. Opening the GoPro with this. Not here. This does not open your GoPro. No. No. Don't break this off. Otherwise, it's your fault. So going back to the side where you open it, right here. Pull down on a good day. Make sure your battery is facing the right direction with the pull tab. Put it in just like that. You hear that nice little snap? Alright. We're going to turn it on. And there you go, folks. I'll do this off camera like I said. But so far, so good. Everything shows up nice. And of course, lucky 13. I'll be doing a video later with opening of each of these items. Media mod, ultra wide lens mod, the ND filter 4-pack, the Contacto magnetic door, and the dual battery charger. So tune in shortly, folks.